Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you a quick recap video of the side table that I built. As you can see, it opens up here. I have the white oak planks, there's 3 of them, and I got that specially cut to the size, and then I used a skill saw to cut the length here into 3 pieces because it was like a 7-foot piece before. I used 2x4s to go along on each side. You can see they're screwed in with wood screws. There's riv nuts down here holding the 2x4 in place, which is where the hinges are connected to, and you can see they're connected on the bottom of the 2x4s holding the table in. And then this idea with the paracords, thanks Jax Austin, I appreciate it. Actually, it's not bad. I might do some sort of upgrade. They're hanging off of the gate latch and the climbing hanger bolt that I have in here. So yeah, these are also riv nuts as well. And that's the setup. I'll show you some clips right now. Gonna stain the white oak. I just extra fine sanded these, so now I'm putting more teak oil on the white oak. Those 2 aren't done yet. Looking good so far. There they are. Just leave those to dry and we can put it together. Now that I've got this one straightened out, I've got this one to do, so I'm just gonna measure it out real quick. Bottom of the table. The top looks really nice too. I've got this 2x4 is going to lay across this way. So once I drill the points in here, you can see the marks on there. I'm going to attach it to the board and do the same thing with this 2x4. There's the completed board. I just got a couple more screws to get in, and it's looking good. In there. Just so you can see right here, one of the rib nuts is already in. I'm gonna go in with these ones, and then that. Finally got the gate latch on. I had to bend this pin. It's a little sloppy, but maybe I can fix that later. Just goes up right there, and on the hinges below. Now to just add some supports on it from above. Now I'm gonna put another hanger on this side so that I can have another paracord or rope attached down to this bottom piece that I put on this side as well. So now they're matching. So do it. I already marked the spot. I can find it. Hey. Hey. I'm gonna go up to a 10. It's still not going to be big enough to fit this riv nut after I go to 10, but I will have to use my other drill bits to be able to get up to that. Yeah, it's definitely not 3/8, so I have to go up to 1/2 inch with this guy. Okay, it's an M8 riv nut. Takes some human strength. A lot harder to do than small ones. No. Buried that in. Sick. Cool. Last but not least, there we go. Just need to tighten it and then add the other paracord.